Hello everyone and welcome to Autopedia channel. In this video we'll see how the next Volvo S90 V90 generation it will look like and what brings new on the market. The actual S90 V90 generation was launched back in 2015 and is one of the safest vehicles on the road. Safety that will have a level never reached before with his new upcoming generation. The new generation will be a full electric vehicle using the same platform and powertrain as the new Volvo EX90, which was released at the end of 2022. That means that the new SV90 will come with a 100 kWh battery and a power of up to more than 450 PS. In terms of safety feature, the new SV90 will receive the latest safety technology that Volvo has released. The amazing LiDAR system will be the brain of all the safety system, and it will be helped by his 8 cameras, 5 radars and 16 sensors to keep the vehicle safe and to provide together with the AI computer an autonomous safe driving mode. Regarding the interior, we can be sure that the new generation of SV90 will have a high quality and very comfortable interior. Also, he will receive a dashboard similar with the one already seen on the EX90 model. With that being said, we can be sure that the next generation of the SV90 will be a real success. Thank you very much for watching. Until the next time, stay safe.